honor, prestige, and a $500 gift card for first place. 3D Experience World 2026 is right around the corner, and Solid Professor is excited to announce that we've partnered with SOLIDWORKS this year to host the legendary Model Mania Design Challenge. Now, if you're unfamiliar, Model Mania is the premier modeling competition for designers, engineers, students, or really anyone looking to put their SOLIDWORKS modeling skills to the test under the pressure of a ticking clock. It's one of the most prestigious events in the world of CAD, and last year we took home one of the gold medals. For the competition, you'll receive a 2D drawing and then model it in SOLIDWORKS as a 3D part. Then you can expect to make some design changes, but there's a catch. You don't get to know what the design changes will be until you're done with the first phase of part modeling. And once complete, you'll submit the mass of the part as your answer, and if you're both correct and quick enough, you might just be in the running for some pretty substantial prizes. Now, this will be Model Mania's 27th year running at 3D Experience World. And over the years, thousands of aspiring and veteran SOLIDWORKS users alike have tested their might in this competition. If you've participated in the past, you already know just how challenging it really is to work under pressure like this. But if you're new to the game or shooting for a spot on the podium this year, you're going to want some practice, and Solid Professor has you covered. Our 3D Model Mayhem series has over 100 design challenges to get you ready for Model Mania. These exercises are formatted to look nearly identical to what you'll see in the competition. And it's no coincidence that they're also very similar to what you can expect to see on SOLIDWORKS certification exams. We've got exercises from beginner to expert level, so no matter your experience or skill, you can still take advantage of them. For more information on the history of Model Mania and solutions to competitions from previous years, take a look at the SOLIDWORKS tech blog titled 26 Years of Model Mania, and be on the lookout for another video from Solid Professor breaking down the decisions and strategies of our winning solution from 2025. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the competition.